Hello, Janos. Welcome to our first session. Today we're going to discuss the fitness program, the benefits of exercises, and share some personal experiences about our PE1 and PE2 classes. Are you ready to get started?
Yes, I'm sorry to learn.
Great. Let's begin with an overview of our fitness program. Our program is designed to improve your overall health and fitness through a combination of cardiovascular exercises, strength, and flexibility exercises and balancing training. First, cardiovascular exercises. This include activities like swimming, running, and cycling. So, these exercises will help you to improve your heart and lung health, increase your stamina, and burn calories. Second, strength training. Strength training involves exercises like weightlifting, push ups, and squats. Strength training helps build muscle mass, improve bone density, and boost your metabolism. Third is flexibility exercises. Stretching and yoga are examples of flexibility exercises. They improve your range of motion, reduce the risk of injuries, and help with muscle recovery. Fourth is balance training. Activities like Tai Chi and balance board exercises improve your coordination and prevent falls, especially as you age.
So that sounds comprehensive.
Yeah.
What are the benefits of these exercises?
There are numerous benefits to regular exercise. Here are some key ones. Improve physical health. Exercise helps prevent chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and obesity. It strengthens your immune system and improves your overall physical health. So, mental health benefits. This is the second benefits to regular exercise. Regular exercise can reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression, improve your mood, and enhance your cognitive function. Increase energy levels. Exercise increase blood flow and oxygen supply to your muscle and organs, leading to higher energy levels and reduced fatigue. Better sleep. Engaging in physical activity can help regulate your sleep patterns, making it easier to fall asleep and enjoy deeper and more restful sleep. Weight management. Exercise helps you maintain a healthy weight by burning calories and increasing your metabolism. Lastly, social interaction. Participating in group exercises or sports can help you meet new people, build friendships, and improve your social skills.
That's very motivating. Can you share some personal experience in your P1 and P2 classes?
Yes, sure. During our PE1, I focus in understanding the basics of fitness and developing a consistent exercise routine. One memorable experience was our first 5K run. It was challenging, but completing it gave me a great sense of accomplishment and motivated me to set higher fitness goals. In our PE2, we delve deeper into strength training and flexibility exercises. I remember the first exercises, I was able to hold a plank for 2 minutes. It was tough, but with persistence and practice, I managed to improve my core strength significantly. I also enjoyed our group yoga sessions, which helped me relax and improve my flexibility.
Those experiences sounds inspiring. I hope I can achieve similar milestones.
You absolutely can. If I can, you will too. So with dedication and consistency, you'll see progress in no time. Remember, the key is to stay motivated, set realistic goals, and enjoy the process.